Do you want to make money online without creating your own products or services? If so, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how I did it with affiliate marketing. Welcome back to another video. Today, I want to share with you my personal story of how I became rich, a journey that took me from the depths of poverty to the dizzying heights of success. It's a tale of how I went from rags to riches. Believe me, life wasn't always a piece of cake for me. I struggled through some tough times, barely making ends meet. But that all changed when I stumbled upon the world of affiliate marketing. It's a story of resilience, determination, and the transformative power of affiliate marketing. This video is suitable for anyone who wants to make money online and earn passive income while asleep. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find something valuable in this video. You don't need any prior experience or technical skills to start an affiliate marketing and live the life of your dreams. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. Trust me, you won't regret it. This video will change your life just like I changed mine. Once upon a time, I was in a tough spot financially. Life seemed like a constant struggle, but little did I know that my fortunes were about to change. I discovered a game changer called affiliate marketing, and it turned my life around. I wasn't always successful in affiliate marketing. In fact, I used to live in poverty and struggle to pay my bills. I had a dead-end job that barely paid me enough to survive. I hated my life and I wanted to change it, but I didn't know how. Picture this, a young wide-eyed dreamer burdened by the weight of financial struggles. The world seemed to conspire against me, leaving me in a state of constant uncertainty. But amidst the darkness, a spark ignited within me. What I was about to do forever altered the trajectory of my life. One day, I stumbled upon an online course that taught me the basics of affiliate marketing. It was a game changer for me. I learned how to choose a niche, join an affiliate program, promote products and offers, track and optimize conversions, and receive commissions. I decided to give it a try and see if I could make some extra income. Now, let me break it down for you. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. You become a sort of middleman, connecting potential buyers with the products they're interested in. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting a piece of the pie without having to bake it yourself. It's a great way to make money online without having to create your own products or offer a service. All you need is a website and some traffic. I started with a simple website where I reviewed different products in my niche. I joined Amazon Associates, one of the most popular affiliate programs in the world, and added my affiliate links to my website. Whenever someone clicked on my link and bought something from Amazon, I earned a small percentage of the sale. Affiliate marketing offers a multitude of benefits. First and foremost, it's a low-risk business model. You don't have to invest tons of money upfront or carry inventory. All you need is a computer, internet connection, and your brain power. Plus, it's a flexible venture. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and be your own boss. It gives you the freedom to create your own schedule and build a business around your passions. Now let me give you an example. Imagine you're passionate about fitness and you come across a fantastic workout program. You decide to become an affiliate for that program and create an online course teaching others how to get fit. You share your knowledge, tips, and insights, and along the way, you recommend the workout program to your audience. When they sign up through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Your clients get fit and you get rewarded for your efforts. One of the keys to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. It's crucial to find an area that you're genuinely passionate about. When you're passionate about a topic, it shines through in your content and it becomes easier to connect with your audience. Plus, it keeps you motivated and engaged in your work. Another essential aspect is content creation. This is where you showcase your expertise, provide value, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. You can create blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media content that educates, entertains, and inspires your audience. Be consistent with your content and keep delivering value to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. When it comes to promoting products, authenticity is the name of the game. Your audience wants to trust you and believe in your recommendations. So only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. Remember, your reputation is on the line and building trust with your audience should be a top priority. Reaching this far of the video shows that you are really interested in this topic. I see your enthusiasm, so let's dive even deeper into the world of affiliate marketing. There's so much more to learn and explore. There are different types of affiliate marketing. One common approach is pay-per-click, where you earn a commission for every click on your affiliate link. Another method is through product reviews, where you share your honest opinions about a product and include your affiliate link for readers to make a purchase. You can also leverage email marketing by sending targeted emails to your subscribers, promoting products, and earning commissions. And let's not forget about social media promotions, where you use platforms like Instagram or YouTube to showcase products and drive sales. At first, I didn't make much money, but I didn't give up. I kept learning new online marketing tips and tricks to improve my website and drive more traffic. But let me pause for a moment and share a lighthearted anecdote, a little laughter to lighten the load. They say the best way to make a small fortune in affiliate marketing is to start with a large fortune. Well, I didn't have a large fortune to begin with, but I had something even better: determination and a never give up attitude. And that, my friends, was worth more than any stack of cash. Now, back to the topic at hand. I also experimented with different types of affiliate marketing, such as pay-per-click, PPC. This is where you get paid for each click on your affiliate link, regardless of whether the person buys anything or not. Pay-per-lead, PPL. This is where you get paid for each lead you generate for the merchant, such as a free trial user or an email subscriber. Pay-per-sale, PPS. This is where you get paid for each sale you make through your affiliate link. Pay-per-action, PPA. This is where you get paid for each specific action that the merchant wants the user to take, such as downloading an app or filling out a survey. I found out that PPS and PPA were the most profitable for me, so I focused on those. I also joined other affiliate programs that offered higher commissions or more relevant products for my niche. For example, I joined Shopify's affiliate program, which pays up to $2,000 per referral for their e-commerce platform. Gradually, my income started to grow. I was making more money than ever before. I quit my job and became a full-time affiliate marketer. I was able to afford a better lifestyle and travel the world. I was living my dream. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Along the way, I faced many challenges and obstacles. For example, competition. Affiliate marketing is a very competitive industry. There are millions of other affiliates out there who are trying to rank for the same keywords and promote the same products as you. You have to constantly work hard to stay ahead of the game and provide value to your audience. Fraud. Affiliate marketing is also prone to fraud and scams. There are some shady merchants who don't pay their affiliates on time or at all. There are also some dishonest affiliates who use unethical methods to generate fake clicks or leads. You have to be careful and do your research before joining any affiliate program or promoting any product. Changes. Affiliate marketing is also affected by changes in the market and technology. For example, Google updates its algorithm frequently and can affect your rankings and traffic overnight. Amazon changes its commission rates periodically and can reduce your earnings drastically. You have to be adaptable and flexible to cope with these changes. But despite these challenges, I never gave up on affiliate marketing. I learned from my mistakes and improved my skills. I also diversified my income streams and created multiple websites in different niches. This way, I was able to reduce my risk and increase my stability. Affiliate marketing has changed my life for the better. It has given me freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. It has allowed me to pursue my passion and help others along the way. And now, I want to help you achieve the same success as me. That's why I created this video where I share with you everything you need to know to start an affiliate marketing from scratch. These are the 6 basic things you should know. Choose a profitable niche that suits your interests and skills. Build a professional and attractive website that attracts visitors and converts them into buyers. Join the best affiliate programs that pay highest commissions and offer the most relevant products for your niche. Promote your website and drive tons of targeted traffic using SEO, social media, email marketing, and more. Track and optimize your performance using analytics and testing tools. Scale up your business and earn passive income while you sleep. Now let's take a moment to reflect on my own journey. Life had dealt me a challenging hand, but I refused to fold. I dove headfirst into learning the intricacies of affiliate marketing, honing my skills day and night. From those days of struggling to make ends meet, I've learned valuable lessons that have shaped me into the person I am today. I learned the importance of perseverance, never giving up on my dreams even when faced with challenges, and the power of building genuine connections. I discovered that embracing change and constantly adapting to new opportunities is the key to success. But here's the most important lesson I learned on my journey. Affiliate marketing isn't just about making money. It's about the value you provide to others. It's about helping people solve their problems and achieve their goals. I realized that success is not just measured by financial wealth, but by the positive impact we have on others' lives. I realized that success wasn't just about numbers and figures. It's about the relationships we fostered along the way. The ability to help others and improve their lives is a reward that surpasses any monetary gain. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. It's a win-win situation where everyone involved can thrive and prosper. When you genuinely care about your audience and focus on serving them, success naturally follows. Affiliate marketing allowed me to make a difference. I found fulfillment in helping others succeed, in becoming a beacon of hope for those who once walked in my shoes. Through trial and error, I discovered the secret to success lay in sharing my knowledge and expertise with others, And so, I embarked on a mission to create this video that would empower individuals like me to break free from the chains of financial struggle. As the seeds of success sprouted, I witnessed the transformation not just in my own life, but in the lives of countless others who had the courage to embark on this journey. Affiliate marketing provided a platform for financial freedom, offering individuals the chance to turn their passions into profit. Affiliate marketing opened doors I never thought possible, doors to financial freedom. I realized there was a world of opportunities waiting to be explored. From pay-per-click to product reviews, from email marketing to social media promotions, the avenues were endless. It was like a vast ocean of potential, and I was ready to set sail. So here I stand, a living testament to the boundless possibilities that lie within each and every one of us. I invite you to take a leap of faith, to embrace the world of affiliate marketing and unlock your true potential. Whether you're a dreamer looking to break free from the chains of financial struggle or an entrepreneur seeking new horizons, affiliate marketing can be your gateway to a brighter future. I want you to remember that success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn, you can create a life of financial abundance. The rewards can be tremendous, both personally and professionally. So embrace the power of affiliate marketing, unleash your potential, and create a life that goes beyond your wildest dreams. You have the power to take control of your destiny and build a business that brings you joy and prosperity. And so, my friends, I encourage you to take action. I implore you to take that first step towards your dreams. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing, explore its endless possibilities, uncover its incredible potential, and dare to make a difference. Remember, success isn't just measured in wealth. It's found in the lives we touch, the impact we create, and the joy we derive from pursuing our passions. Start by educating yourself about affiliate marketing, whether through online courses, books, or mentorship programs. Learn the best practices and apply them with passion and determination. Implement what you learn, test different strategies, and don't be afraid to learn from both your successes and failures. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow affiliate marketers who can guide and inspire you on your journey. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who will support and inspire you along the way. Remember, my friends, life may deal us a challenging hand, but it's how we play the cards that truly matters. Let us join hands, navigate this ever-changing landscape together, and carve out a path to prosperity. Let's embrace this journey of affiliate marketing and build a brighter tomorrow, one connection at a time. Together, we can turn dreams into reality and laughter into lasting success. Together, let's create a future where we not only thrive, but also uplift and empower those around us. Embrace affiliate marketing and unleash your full potential. Take charge of your future, create a life of financial freedom, and make a positive impact on others. The world is waiting for you to shine. Now go forth, my friends, and let affiliate marketing be your ticket to success. Go out there and make your mark on the world. Start your own affiliate marketing journey, share your knowledge, and inspire others to achieve greatness. The world is waiting for your unique voice and expertise. Believe in yourself, take that leap of faith, and let the power of affiliate marketing transform your life. The stage is set, my friend. It's time for you to shine. But before you go, I want to share with you a joke that always makes me laugh. How do you know if someone is an affiliate marketer? Don't worry, I'll tell you. I hope you enjoyed that joke, and I hope you enjoyed this video even more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to show some love. I recommend you to watch this video next before you make any move. I promise you'll love it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.